Yo, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John, John Restoration of Virginia Beach. Got another one for you. 1981 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Y'all see it. Belonging to my man Raymond. This vehicle came in green with like a bluish green interior. He wanted it freshened up. He wanted it redone. We did it a couple of years ago as far as the outside, but he wanted to change a flip on it. So we picked out a nice blue for him. There it is. Y'all see it, the wet look. It already came in sitting up on 24'S already. As y'all can see the interior. We also had the interior totally redone. He wanted to keep it factory, but just with a dark peanut butter color. Headline of them door panels. Y'all see it? John Restoration, another one with that logo on the back. I don't know what it is, but VA's starting to have a lot of cars with this logo on the back. Y'all know you got to be real confident with your work. You got to make sure your work is quality. You got to make sure you put out quality for you to have your name on the back of somebody's vehicle. Because as soon as another shop or someone see that logo on the back, they're going to start trying to critique it and look around and see what's wrong, what they can find. You know, that's just a part of the day. And like me, everybody already know if something wrong with the vehicle or something goes wrong with the vehicle, bring it back. We stand behind it 110% to make sure you're right, to make sure you're happy, to make sure you come back with your whole squad and everybody get their vehicle back. John Restoration. Y'all see the paint? There it is right there. Matter of fact, let me try the dollar bill test like I be telling everybody. Paint jobs, you can read a dollar bill in the paint. Let's see if we can do it. There you go. You got the camera on that?
Yes, sir.
There you go. Hold on, let me get the wrinkles out. Sorry about the wrinkles. Y'all see the blue paint? Just finished painting the vehicle. Look at that. You can read a dollar bill in the paint. That's John Restoration paint jobs right there. You can read a dollar bill in the paint. Give us a call, Virginia Beach, Virginia, 757-713-2277. Get your vehicle done. We ordering new seals, new moldings, new rubbers around the doors, new emblems, and everything for the vehicle to make it totally complete. We also get ready to get into military financing for the military. So in other words, instead of going out and getting a brand new car with all these car payments and putting all this money into a car that you got car payments on, restore an old vehicle. This is a 1981 Cutlass, and look at it. It looks damn near better than most new vehicles out on the street today. Plus the vehicle's paid for, his work is paid for, so he totally owned the vehicle and everything is good with it. So give us a call when you get a chance, 757-713-2277, and let us put you on the map with John Restoration. And remember, Facebook.com/John's Restoration for all the before pictures of this car. It was green with a greenish blue interior. It needed to be done. Now it's done. Now y'all see the end result. Give us a call.